Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Tinder app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Tinder app, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Tinder. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors. You can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.